Hello, my name is Ammeron. I'm from RFI. If, like me, you've been working from home a little bit more nowadays and you've noticed that your home office has poor mobile phone coverage, or you're located in a regional area of Australia and you always have mobile phone issues, then I'd like to talk to you about a product that we've got available from RFI. I've been working from home and trying to make phone calls from my home office here, and I've had trouble connecting a call. All the calls dropped out during the phone call. I also have Wi-Fi throughout the house, which is connected to the NBN, but if I didn't have that sort of connectivity and I had to use my mobile phone for data as well, then it would also cause an issue with being able to connect to the internet. So I'm going to talk to you today about a Cel-Fi unit available from RFI. We're going to do a test here where I'm going to use an app on my Android phone. It's called Network Cell Info Lite. It's a free app that you can get from the Play Store. It's for Android, and you can see there on the phone that I've got poor coverage. The needle's pointing at the red section there, and you may also be able to see the bars across the top of the phone. I've barely even got one bar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to power up the Cel-Fi unit, and hopefully we're going to see that needle move into a nice green area, indicating that now the mobile phone signal has been boosted within my home office here. So I'll just plug the unit in. It takes about 30 seconds for it to boot up. I've just got it connected into the power pack here, into the wall. I've got an external antenna mounted outside of the building, picking up the signal in the good coverage area, bringing it into the unit itself, and then it'll be boosting it into this small little internal antenna. And that will give me coverage throughout my home office here, but it will also allow me to walk around the building and use the phone in other rooms of the house. This is a very simple setup, but it can be expanded into multiple units of these, one for Optus, one for Telstra, let's say, or I could put multiple antennas around the building and have one in the kitchen and one down in the back bedroom and be able to move freely throughout the house. This unit is about to power up here, and we should see it change. I'm boosting Optus here, but it does also have available units for Telstra and Vodafone as well. So once that light goes steady on the Cel-Fi unit there, we should see that the lines on the needle on the display here will start moving into the green area, indicating that now I have mobile phone coverage within my office here. So you'll see it's moved quite a way into that area, and you should also be able to see that I've got some extra bars across the top there. So now I can make my phone calls. I don't have dropouts. I can move freely around the office and have good coverage with this simple little setup. I'll do it in reverse and just unplug the unit again so you can see that it'll disappear. The coverage will fall away again as I fall back into a poor coverage area. So that's just a little test just to show you. Now the Cel-Fi units are available from RFI. You can see the links below to contact us for more information or where you can purchase the product from. And thank you for spending a bit of time with me today.